Hello friend, myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important topics that are most needful to know more and more about it. This is also important on point of education, point of knowledge, and also important how to spend the healthy, peaceful and prosperous life. All these points collectively I shall discuss in the topics today. So watch this video till end, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe it by pressing the bell button and also like it. Today we all are facing the basic problems, and I shall discuss in detail the root cause of these problems, effect of this problem, and how can we overcome these types of the problem. These problems related to our lifestyle, related to our personality, value in society, in family, or at some other places. The main factor which are responsible for all these problems related to disease, related to health, education, value are rising population. Population are rising very rapidly everywhere in this country. We are not thinking about the problem which arises before us due to the rising population. There is a rush everywhere. Where we go, we see the rush of people. Peoples are running. They do not want to stay to know more and more about others. They are also not having time to express their problems, due to which they are spending the running life, spending the tensionized life. So the root cause of rising population are a lots, but the major cause of rising population are our illiteracy. We are totally ignorant about the method to control over the rising population. We know that India is the country of villages, and majority of people live in villages and engaged in farming. Farming is their main sources of their livelihood. So they also not want to try to know more and more knowledge except farming. They spend their time, skill and labor to know more and more about the farming. So they do not get more and more chance to get the higher education or the education related to other side of farming. On the other hand, they believe that increasing the number of member in family, it means increasing the number of earning hands or better farming. So their coming generation mostly engaged in the profession like farming. But we also know that the capacity to produce on a particular land are limited. The area of land cannot be increased, and productivity of that land is also limited. But the number of member of family is getting increased day by day. So what needful nutrition, what needful things they should be given are getting decreased day by day. That is why a lots of the problem arises from there. First problem arises, they are unable, or the parents are unable to get their education, get their children better education, better treatment, better lifestyle. They are not having time and money to move some other places to see the culture, and some other things which can promote them from the other side. The crisis of water, unemployment, and also dispute among us are due to the rising problem. More and more population, more and more number of people demand more and more needful things, and so the prices of needful things like cereals, cloth, medicine, employment, shelter are getting shortened. Pollution is also due to the rising population. Nowadays, India is the best place to get the cheap labor. Where there is nothing but the mass of the labor can be seen at the common places. They do hard physical work from morning to evening, and they get the fixed wages. If they need something to do extra, they have to demand, they have to take loan from others, and they have to spend as a slave for life. So they do not get chance to more and more the other lifestyle, and they believe in only the increasing number of family members. So rising population, due to rising population, in short we can say we are facing the problem like unemployment, rising price of needful things like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, LPG, CNG, price of the cloth, price of the cereals, price of fruits and vegetables, milk, and many more needful things. Without these things we cannot survive our life on this earth, are getting increased day by day. So we are compelled to minimize our needs, and we are also compelled to adjust ourselves within the short income or within the short things. Disease, if you talk about the disease, most of the disease are due to the rising population, due to the lack of proper nutrition, balanced diet. We fall into the ill, and that ill now turns into serious diseases. So most of the diseases which are not curable, or which can be curable after spending a loads of amount time, are due to the lack of nutrition and due to the rising population. One most problems or common problems we are facing now, that is dispute among us due to the land, due to the shelter, due to the right, are mostly due to the rising population. All the majority of the people are focusing on a particular things. That things are very shorten in number, very less in number, but more and more demand are rising from more and more people. That's why dispute arise there. Dispute among the family, dispute among the brothers, dispute among the society are oftenly seen everywhere due to the rising population. Rising population are directly or indirectly responsible for all these problems, all these common problems due to which most among us are suffering now. there is a single remedy, there is a common remedy. If you look after it, we know it very well. Government has made the plan, rules which are available for all of us on a very cheap methods, very cheap way, that is family planning, and a few other planning are also available before us. We can follow all these plannings methods very easily to control over the problem. So it is alarming time, we should control over it. Otherwise, in coming future, more and more new kinds of the problem, diseases and related problem related to all walk of life will go very fast, very rapidly. So it is our alarming time. We should control over it, we should manage it, we should satisfy with one or hardly mostly two children. We must not distinguish between male or female. We should spend, we should pay our affection, love on both kinds of the male or female childs equally. We should also provide equal opportunity in development of both these kinds of the children, and we should also promote them on the basis of short family. Parents should have either one or two maximum, and we should also educate our children to do the same. By this way, we can control over the rising population. It is really most needful and beneficial also. I think some idea about the root cause of rising population, its effect and remedy can be obtained from this video. If you like this video in earlier, I request you, advise you to subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me the comment along with the topics about which you want to know more and more, which has not been discussed in this video. I shall try my best to all the topics selected by you in details in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.